hello, Charlie.
Yo, yo! What up? We not COVID-19.
Yeah, day one after morning after the lockdown. Here we are, walking up.
Making it out.
Fuck it. Up at half 3 in the morning. Come meet Charlie and his friend, and we're going to we're just going up the Pyg Track up Snowdon. Yeah, and Lula the dog as well in the distance.
Hey Lula.
Come here. Hello.
Go on, Lula.
This is a lovely walk so far today. Weather's fantastic. The sun's just coming up now. Or the sun's up, just poking its way through the cloud. Nice view of the town. And yeah, it's quite calm. It is a windy day today, but luckily where we are, we're kind of surrounded by tucked into the hills a little bit, so it's great. But yeah, with all this uncertainty going on today, obviously I was in the pub last night. They had to close. They closed at 8 o'clock where I was. A lot of the shops shut down and things like that, so everyone's panicking, everyone's housebound. So just thought nothing better. Let's come out, let's go up a mountain. It's obviously self-isolated as well. There's nobody, you know, not many people around. But this is great. I'm not being cooped up for the next month, 2 months, 3 months, whatever it is. I'm just going to carry on, live my life, and I think we've all got to do that. But obviously, if you're vulnerable, look after yourself, be careful. But yeah, love this. It's one of my favourite things to do, have a walk in the mountains. Perfect. Brought the camera as well, try and get some nice pictures. Yeah, stick with us on the journey. Look at this, it's fantastic, the colours. As you can just see in the distance, that's the top of Snowdon. Don't know if you can make out the ice on top of it, so it's pretty cold. And this here, this is the path that we're taking here now. The miners. See Charlie in the distance. So far so good. Probably about a third of the way up. Making good time. I'm not sure how much you can hear me with the wind, but we'll give it a go. Charlie and his mate are turning back. They're turning back there. It's like an ice sheet up here. It's like an ice sheet, but I'm going to do one for the team. I said to everybody hurry up, so I'm going to go to the top, touch the summit, and then come down and catch them up. Woo! The wind's incredible when it comes up. About 10 minutes to the top. We must do this. Oh, it's gone nice and calm now. Wow. Woo! It's amazing. Look, just drop behind a ridge so it's nice and calm. But you can see the show you now. This is the train tracks, so the Clanberry's down there. And here's the train tracks in the tarn. You can see the cloud billowing over. This is where we're going now. Or where I'm going. There's no we anymore, last man standing. It's gonna get windy when I get around this corner, so. Must reach the top. I've never turned back, and I feel bad for leaving the land, but can't do it. I'm gonna get blustery now, I think. No? It's like, I need to hurry up to the top. Gale force winds today, advertised 50 mile an hour. Let's make sure this lens is clean. Yeah, 50 mile an hour gust today. Oh. So, made it. Touched the top, literally. Stood up for the briefest of seconds. I had to get on my arse. It was so windy. So hard to stay up there, honestly. Couldn't stay on your feet. Literally getting blown off. It was full of ice as well. So now I've got to get down the really dodgy bit on the Pyg Track, really icy. I say most people turn back, a few have come up. And then the idea is to try and jog down a little bit and catch the level. Really careful on that bit there.
Oh,
You're really bad, yeah. And on the top, the wind, it's about 60 mile an hour gusts. Oh, yeah. Honestly, God, you can't stand up on it. No. We were literally holding on, crawling hands and knees to grab onto the summit. I stood up like a second, really windy. Good though. But yeah, this bit here is just really sketchy. Be careful. I just come on my arse on the way down there on purpose. It was easier. Hard going. Be careful. The snow in the background though, it's fantastic. Oh, it was crazy on the top before. Must be mental. I did a Facebook live stream, but the reception wasn't great, so it did cut out a few times. Hopefully people got the gist of how windy it was and how dodgy. Just gotta get down all these rocky bits here. This is fantastic, look at the views. So I've never done, turn to camera, I've never done the Watkins before. Not the Watkins, the Miners Path, sorry. I think I said Watkins earlier. Yeah, I mean the Miners Path. I've never done this before, but I think it's supposed to run parallel and back to the same place, same car park, so it's worth a go. And hopefully my cunning plan works. When I get on the flat in a minute, I'm going to run. But at the moment my legs are shot to shit. My knees, I'm coming down, pounding. It's getting warm now though, which is better. The lower you get, the warmer it gets. Anyway, I'll check in with you when I get on the flat. This is where I'm going. Down here. But look at the view. Beautiful. And that there is the summit of Snowdon. Beautiful. And this is the way we came in. I know it's small on here, but we came over this kind of ridge here, round up that bit. I've just come back a slightly different way. Yeah, probably look like a bit of an idiot right now. Hair will be stuck up, I imagine. Dry mouth. Yeah, the idea was it's quite flat, this bit coming down. I've come down a really steep drop to get on this path, thinking I'll try and beat them back, but it seems so much longer. Oh, and with it being flat, I was running, but my knees have gone. Just above my knees. Oh, the muscles. But yeah, it's lovely down here now. Nice and sunny, nice and bright. I think it's, what time are we on? Let's have a look. It's 25 past 10, which isn't bad. I think we set off about, I don't know, maybe 7 o'clock this morning. So managed to get to the top, and I just don't know how far off I am now. I can't be that far from the car park, to be honest. I reckon I'm probably 15, 20 minutes maybe. Just hoping to beat those back. Victory sweet.